Hi guys, welcome to Brothers Fun Club.
It's time for another science experiment!
Today we're gonna put this egg inside this bottle.
No squishing allowed.
Let's find out how we can do that.
For this experiment, we're gonna need a glass bottle, boiled egg, a piece of paper, and a lighter.
Step 1, light the piece of paper. Make sure to have a grown-up to help you with this part.
Fires can be dangerous.
Isn't paper supposed to be... Then drop it into the bottle. And then immediately put the egg on top of the bottle. What?
It's inside!
I didn't know that was supposed to happen. The egg just exploded.
I knew this was going to explode again!
That didn't go as planned again. I don't think that was supposed to happen.
It exploded! Keith, how did that happen? Did you put a bomb inside?
The egg was actually supposed to go inside the bottle and not all over our table. It kind of went inside the bottle, but had to explode to do it. Because fire needs air to burn. So the fire used up the air inside the bottle, made a vacuum, sucked in the egg, and the egg had like a crack in it, so it exploded.
Kaboom!
So if you try this, don't use cracked eggs. Make sure the yolk is right smack in the middle.
So that's our experiment for today. Was it success or a fail?
Definitely a fail, but it did look cool. We made egg bombs.
Yeah! Kaboom!
Don't forget to subscribe to Brothers Fun Club for more
Funny
experiments that sometimes end up as a total fail. See you next time. Bye!